Private driving practice can help a learner driver gain experience of different driving conditions faster than just having professional driving lessons. You will need to make sure that you stay legal at all times and also plan how and where you practice. This video will show you how to stay safe and make the most of your time whilst practicing driving privately. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you are alerted when we upload a new video. Also, we'd love to read your comments, so please scroll down and let us know what you think. Learning to drive safely is a lot more than simply controlling the car. A new driver will need to have a good understanding of driving theory, the skill and coordination to operate the car's controls, whilst having the hazard awareness and ability to plan ahead by anticipating the actions of other road users. They will also need to cope with different weather and road conditions, all whilst driving independently to their destination. Learning all these skills will take some time, and since everyone learns at their own pace, don't expect this process to take just a few hours. It takes longer than most people realise. The person that will accompany you must be legally allowed to supervise a learner driver, so they must be over 21 years old and have held a full driving licence for at least 3 years. Also, the car must be insured for your use. Make sure you attach L plates to the front and back of the car and that it is safe and roadworthy. We recommend fitting an extra rear view mirror inside the car so the passenger can monitor any following traffic. You can practice in any car, but smaller and less powerful cars are generally easier to control and manoeuvre. Make sure that you check and adjust your driving position and mirrors properly before moving off, and also that you understand how the car's wipers, lights and ventilation controls work so they can be used if needed. We recommend turning mobile phones and the car's radio off so that you are not distracted and take your attention away from the road. Before you start your private driving practice, we would recommend that you master the basics with your instructor in their driving school car first, as they have dual controls fitted to help keep you safe. They should be able to advise when they think you are ready to practice privately. Plan your practice sessions carefully so that they have the correct difficulty level for your ability. Start in a quiet area without much traffic or steep hills and progress from there as your skill grows. There will be mistakes, but try to learn from them. If it all seems to be going wrong, take a break or even stop the practice session. Other road users can be inconsiderate at times, but try to remain calm. Your passenger should be giving you directions clearly and in plenty of time. They will also be looking well ahead to anticipate problems, and if they need to, will reach across to help steer the car or even use the handbrake when a dangerous situation develops. New drivers are much more likely to be involved in an accident. It is easy to become overconfident, and even if you think that you are driving safely, your lack of experience can expose you to increased risk. Your passenger may point out the dangers they see ahead to help you drive safely, and even stop and discuss how you could handle the situation. You may both find it frustrating when you are struggling with something, but try to keep calm as a relaxed atmosphere provides the best learning conditions. If needed, leave the problem and come back to it later. When your supervisor is driving the car and you are a passenger, take a look at their driving. If they have poor habits, for example poor mirror use, speeding or road rage, then challenge them about this. Explain that you won't take their coaching seriously if they don't drive in that manner themselves. To become a safe and independent driver, you will need to master many different skills. These include controlling your car smoothly, correct use of mirrors and signals, and being able to deal with all types of junctions. You will also need to have good judgment when anticipating hazards and deciding how fast to drive on different types of road. Learning how to park your car precisely is essential, and experience of driving in traffic, poor weather and at night is good. Lastly, a good knowledge of the highway code will be needed, as we will need to understand any road markings and traffic signs that we see. The driving test now includes basic safety checks to help you keep your car safe on the road. Your instructor should cover these on driving lessons, but since your car will be slightly different, why not go through these at home as well? This will help you understand your car and confirm the need for regular checks and servicing to keep the car running smoothly. You could even try filling the car with fuel and practice changing a wheel. So remember to make sure you are practicing legally, plan your practice carefully, try to stay calm if you make a mistake, and enjoy the satisfaction of improving your driving. If you found this video interesting, then please visit our channel, as there are over 100 more tutorial videos to help you improve your driving. If you would like to help us make new videos, then please consider becoming a member of our channel. Thanks for watching.